Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add fonts on Webflow. So let's get started. Open up webflow.com and log into your account. It will take you to your Webflow dashboard. And you can see we have all of the websites here that we created. This is our main workspace. You're going to select the website where you want to add the fonts. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Click on these three dots you can see. Then you're going to click on settings. It will take you right here. You can see we have different options. You're going to click on fonts. In here, we can add a font to our website. These are the current fonts that I have on my website. If you want to choose from a list, just click right here and it will show you the list of different fonts. So you can select a font from here. If you want to add your own font, scroll down to custom font right here and upload your file. For example, you're using Elementor or any other platform for the fonts, just upload the file here. For maximum browser support, upload TTF, OTF, EOT or WOFF here. Upload it and your fonts will be added. If you want to add Adobe fonts, then you can add them here as well. These are the font settings. Click on save and your font will be added on your website on Webflow. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.